Hi. So, for context, I got this copy of Pokemon White 2 back in Christmas of 2012. And I beat the game, and I actually lost it. Like, I lost the cartridge of it in around early 2013-ish. Select to focus, please. Hello? Select to focus? I mean, you can kind of see it. Yeah. I started at 12/25/2012, and I debuted in the Hall of Fame on the first day of 2013. And I lost it in early 2013, a little bit after I beat the game. And I did not know where it was for the longest time. So earlier this year, I was actually cleaning the laundry room. Earlier this year, 2021. And in the washing machine, like on the bottom of the washing machine, I actually saw the cartridge of this game there. And since then, I've been playing it and reliving old memories, all that fun stuff. And also recently, I bought Pokemon Dream Radar for the 3DS, and I decided I would complete the Unova Pokedex for the first time in 9 years. So I did. And now I have 300 Pokemon registered in the Unova Dex. I got the permit from Professor Juniper. And now I'm in the Nature Preserve. This is the first time I've ever been here in 9 years. This is my first time being here in this copy of the game. I've only ever seen it in YouTube videos, so this is crazy. Oh, there's Wrestling Lash. Wrestling Grass. Wee. Woohoo! I mean, yeah, it's just an Autono. I mean, nothing really fun there. Ooh, let me just get out of there. Hello? May I please leave the battle? Thank you. Oh my god. So, I have to find my way. There it is. Oh my god, there it is. Holy shit. To me, this is a legend. The shiny Haxorus in the Nature Preserve is a legend in its own right. And I'm just... Oh, nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to save. Where's the save button? There it is. I am just flabbergasted that I can actually see this for myself and maybe catch it on camera. Oh my god. The shiny Haxorus. Hi, King. Oh my god. Oh my god, shiny Haxorus, first try. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go catch this thing. Just, wow. After so long. 9 years in the making. This is kind of like a magnum opus moment. Wow.